Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. This is going to be a update on my WIG 2023 Indoor Challenge. What you're looking at is my lead pot max and what I have growing in it. I have the bigger plant is the top chop collard green, and the other two smaller plants are Merlot lettuce. And everything's coming along pretty well. No complaints or anything like that. What I have noticed with the lead pots, both the smaller one and this one, the larger one, you cannot put any plants in that grow kind of big like the collard green. They will grow and shade out your other plants. Even though this particular setup has 21 spaces for you to plant seeds. If you were going to buy this, I wouldn't recommend trying to fill all 21 spaces. It's practically impossible unless you're growing something that will be very small and will not reach for the light as much. But if you're growing stuff like what I have here, I would recommend one or two, maybe three at the most spaces being used. And you would have to strategically place them so that they don't shade each other out. Overall, that's my only complaint with the lead pot systems. I love them and they're pretty practical. This is my indoor grow tent. And if you remember the last video, on the last update, I was kind of upset because of the aphids that had destroyed the plants that I had inside. And after I cleaned up everything, I decided to just only put one plant or leave one plant in the deep water culture 5-gallon buckets. And that's the tomato. And that's what you're looking at now. The tomato has really started to grow and taken off. It's doing well. And I'm kind of surprised myself. As you know, this plant was started outside and I brought it in. It struggled a lot. And what I actually ended up doing was placing some of the roots into the water. And that seemed to help. And as you can see, it's looking good and growing pretty well. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to get any tomatoes or anything like that from it before I move. But I have proven to myself that you can take plants from outside and bring them in to your indoor grow tent or hydroponic setup, and they can grow. I'm going to take you along and look and see if I have any long roots actually into growing into the solution. Okay, hopefully you can see pretty well, but there are a lot of roots and they're nice and clear hanging down into the solution. And there are other roots coming, growing out as well. So this lets me know that this plant has really started to take off and it's healthy and it's growing well. Looks like I may have to put some more of this solution into the bucket. When I planted this, it was about 4.5 gallons of water, and it looks like it's about half that right now. So I guess I'll be doing that, and hopefully the plant will continue to grow. And I'll bring you back hopefully before it's time to take it out for a final update. So, as I said, overall, I'm happy with the way the tomato is coming along. What I did with the light is set it to 73%. strength, and I turned up the bubbler a lot more, so there's more air into the solution. The roots of the tomatoes seem to be enjoying it, and they're growing well. And ever since I cleaned out the grow tent, there has been no more um, indication of aphids or bugs or anything like that. So I'm happy with that. So thank you for coming along with me on this quick update of what's going on with my WIG 2023 Indoor Grow Challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got anything out of it, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button and the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing.